how to instantly transfer money from TD Bank to another account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can instantly transfer money from TD Bank to another account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the TD Bank website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on transfer. Then click on with my accounts outside TD. After that, just enter the account from which you want to transfer and in which you want to transfer and enter the amount as well. If you want to add a new account, then just tap on this option and follow the steps to add a new account. After filling in all these credentials, click on continue. Then just review your transaction and click on confirm, and your money will be instantly transferred. So that's how you can instantly transfer money from TD Bank to another account. That's all for this video.